Hey guys, welcome to the Trendspider review. And as someone who's been using it actually in 2025, I can give you a honest review, the pros, the cons. And first of all, I can tell you that it is actually a powerful tool, especially if you are serious about technical analysis. Okay? And the standout feature for me that I found is that they have an basically AI powered automated technical analysis. So it basically automatically detects for you trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and over actually 150 candlestick patterns. Okay. And this just saves you, honestly, an incredible amount of time. And quickly, it just removes subjectivity from you, from that. And there's also a no code strategy back testing. That's a game changer. Honestly, it's a game changer because, well, I can test complex strategies against years of historical data, as you can see right here, okay, without writing a single line of code. And what I also liked was the multi time frame analysis. It basically allowed me to overlay different time frames on a single chart, and you can spot hidden opportunities. And there's dynamic alerts, notifies you of price movements or pattern formations, so you don't have to, be glued to your screen. And I'll give you the cons as well. So the biggest hurdle with Trendspider, honestly, is the steep learning curve. It's powerful, yeah, but it can be overwhelming for new users due to the sheer number of advanced tools and features. It's not also ideal for value or dividend investors who focus more on fundamentals, as the strength in this just lies in the technical analysis. Okay. And another point, I would say, it does not offer direct brokerage execution, which means that you still need a separate brokerage account to place trades. Okay. And the pricing, well, the pricing can be on the higher end, okay, higher side, especially for the more advanced plans, okay? And it does not really offer you a free tier, only a limited free trial. Otherwise, it is definitely good, right? You minimal effort, manual effort is reduced. You gain deeper market insights. You streamline your analysis. It's AI driven. Honestly, it's valuable investment. But if you're okay with paying the higher price, now you can get this offer for your first invoice. Just try it out. And with that being said, I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.